Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best turkey thermometer is probably one of the most essential tools for achieving a perfectly cooked turkey. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, mastering the art of temperature control is key to a juicy, flavorful bird. In this video, we'll dive into the world of turkey thermometers, exploring the features, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Food Thermometer. This instant read thermometer from Alpha Grillers is a must-have kitchen gadget. It features a temperature probe and provides accurate readings in just 1 to 2 seconds. It comes pre-calibrated for your convenience. Whether you're grilling, baking, or deep frying, this digital thermometer is perfect. Use it for meats, liquids, and even candy making. It's suitable for air fryers, ovens, grills, and more. The large digital display with a bright blue backlight makes it easy to read the temperature. You can use it in the dark or in your kitchen. It's a perfect grilling accessory. This meat thermometer is water resistant with an IP67 rating. You can easily wash and clean it under running water. It's designed for durability and convenience. Looking for a gift for him or her? This meat thermometer comes in an elegant box. It's the ideal gift for anyone who loves to cook and grill. What we like. This instant read thermometer gives you the temperature in seconds. It's also water resistant, so you don't have to worry about splashes. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to check your turkey's temperature, this is a great choice. What people say actually does what it says. No more waiting with the oven door open to check if the meat is done. It only takes 1 to 2 seconds to get a temperature, and love that it has a magnetic back, so it is always handy. All the meat temperatures are right on it in case you need a reference, easy to read numbers, and it is accurate. Very readable display. Jackknife design starts on opening and stops when closed. Buttons to control the item are much larger than some competitors. Easy to use and clear and accurate. Would definitely recommend or order again. Number 4. Digital meat thermometer for cooking and grilling. This meat thermometer provides an accurate temperature reading in just 2 to 4 seconds. The probe is small and easy to insert into meats. It gives you a reliable temperature reference for various cooking methods. Simply unfold the thermometer to start reading the temperature. It automatically shuts off after 10 minutes of inactivity. The device supports both Celsius and Fahrenheit, and it can lock the temperature for easy viewing. The thermometer features a large, backlit screen for easy reading in any lighting condition. It has a built-in magnet and a hanging hole for convenient storage. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip while you cook. This grill thermometer is IP67 waterproof, making it easy to clean. The probe is made of food-safe stainless steel and the device is built with durable ABS material. You can wipe it clean with a cloth. Each thermometer undergoes quality inspections. If you have any questions, please contact us. We promise to provide a satisfying solution for you. What we like. This thermometer provides ultra-fast and accurate readings. It's also waterproof, making it easy to clean. With its large, backlit screen, you can easily see the temperature in any lighting. If you like a fast, accurate, and easy-to-clean thermometer, this is perfect for you. What people say. The thermometer is easy to use. It has a large, easy-to-read display. The probe is long enough to reach the center of a large turkey. Number 3. Escali AH1 Stainless Steel Meat Thermometer. Introducing the Escali AH1 Meat Thermometer. It features a large 2.5-inch dial, making it easy to monitor the temperature of your meats. This thermometer measures temperatures from 140 degrees to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for beef, poultry, pork, and veal, ensuring everything is cooked to perfection. The dial is clearly labeled with target cooking temperatures. You can easily see when your meat has reached the ideal internal temperature. Made with durable stainless steel, you can leave it in the oven or grill while cooking. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This product is NSF certified, meeting the highest standards for public health protection. You can trust its quality and safety. What we like. This oven-safe thermometer is designed to stay in your turkey while it cooks. The large, easy-to-read dial makes it simple to monitor the temperature. If you're looking for a simple, reliable thermometer that you can leave in the oven, this is a great option. What people say. The thermometer is easy to use. It has a clear display. The probe is accurate. Number 2. SMARTRO ST59 Digital Meat Thermometer. This digital cooking thermometer comes with a long cord and a meat probe, ensuring accurate temperature readings. It can measure temperatures between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 482 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various cooking methods. The touchscreen design makes it easy to operate. The backlit LCD display provides clear readings, even in low-light conditions, allowing you to quickly check the temperature from any angle. It features pre-programmed temperatures for different meats and doneness levels, as recommended by the USDA. You can also customize the temperature settings to suit your personal preferences. The built-in timer helps prevent overcooking. It allows you to set a countdown timer for up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. An alarm will sound when the time is up or when the set temperature is reached. The 6.7-inch long probe keeps your hands safe while measuring. The probe can withstand temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. However, avoid exposing it to extreme heat sources like flare-ups during high-heat grilling. What we like. This thermometer comes with a probe and a timer, taking the guesswork out of cooking. It has a touch screen and preset temperatures for different meats. If you want a thermometer that helps you manage both temperature and time, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use and did an excellent job. The standing rib roast was amazing. I like the fact that it can be used as a thermometer and a timer. The unit comes with 2 probes, which is great because you now have a backup, and most of the units I have purchased previously the probes are usually the issue. Number 1. Alpha Griller's Digital Meat Thermometer for Oven. This digital food thermometer provides quick and accurate temperature readings. It's perfect for grilling, roasting, and baking, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. Looking for a great gift? This leave-in probe thermometer is ideal for men, dads, and husbands. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays or any special occasion. Easily cook your meats to the ideal temperature. It comes with 7 preset options and a built-in timer to help you monitor your cooking. Designed for high-heat cooking, the probe can withstand up to 536 degrees Fahrenheit. Use it in ovens, grills, or smokers for versatile cooking options. It features a clear LCD screen and flexible mounting options. You can use the magnetic back or stand for convenient placement. What we like. This thermometer features a leave-in probe for continuous monitoring. It also has preset temperatures and a built-in timer. If you want to monitor your turkey's temperature without opening the oven, and like to set a timer, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Simple to use, works well, has an alarm and is easy to read. The presettings are very convenient and can be adjusted up or down. You can put it in the meat while it's cooking or use it when it comes out of the oven. There is a strong magnet on it so you can place it right on door or side of the oven, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.